welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. For those who are new, welcome, and for those who are returning, welcome back. By the title of this video, you can see I have something different. That's not just clothes, that's not just hair, that's not just makeup. Your girl is about to try on some glasses. Now, I don't wear glasses because obviously God gave me the eyes that I have and they are perfect, but you know, if you sit at the screen all day or if you just want some glasses that go perfect with your outfit, I have the perfect glasses for you. So the brand that I'll be partnering with today is Firmoo glasses, and I'm just going to show you the cutest, affordable, and like most stylish glasses that you probably ever see. They have some for the spring, they have some for the fall, they have some for the summer. They're just well-rounded. So let's just get right into this haul. Okay, so let's just get right into these glasses. Right off the bat, the packaging. The packaging is really cute. It's like a hard plastic. It has the company name and it says you define your look. And the plastic is pretty sturdy, so I feel like if these like fell on the floor or something, they'll be good because this is like really hard and secure. So let's just get right into this. So once you open the packaging, it has a few little papers and obviously the glasses. Inside, they will send you some coupon codes. I will have some listed below, so if you are looking to get some glasses, you know where to go. So they just sent me over some coupons, and right here is just some information about the glasses and how to maintain eye health, cleaning care, adapting to the new glasses. So you have your cleaning care right here, you have your adapting to glasses right here. So somebody like me who don't wear glasses, girl, your girl gonna need to adapt. So right here, this is going to be very important for me. And right here, and this is just maintaining healthy eye health. And this is something I feel like it's really good for somebody who really don't know, or somebody who's young and just getting into the glasses world. I'm not that young, but I'm young, but I'm not like a teenager, so I'm just new into the glasses world and I will need some instructions on what to do. So this will be very beneficial to me. And on the back, it just gives you like the return policy right here, and it also lists like where you can contact them and just like some other cute logo glasses and stuff like that. But y'all, I know y'all ready to see them glasses, so let's get right to it. So now to the start of the show. I have not tried these on. I do not know how they gonna look on me, so this is gonna be a first time viewing with myself and with y'all. So let's get right to it. So on the package on the outside, obviously the company name is right here. It's kind of light, so I'm not sure if you all will be able to see it, but it says Firmoo. And then right here on the other side of the glasses, it says that a cleaning cloth will be inside as well as the pouch. So this is obviously the pouch, and the cleaning cloth will be inside. So let's do the big reveal of the glasses. So here they are. OMG, they're so freaking cute. Look, they're so cute. This is the light pink color, and this is how they look. I mean, these are gorgeous. I love, like, pink is my favorite color, so you know I'm gonna get pink anything, as you can see, but these are cute. And these were $26.99, so very affordable. And obviously, like I told you all, I do not wear prescription glasses, so I did not get any prescription in there, y'all. So this is a cleaning cloth and a pouch. So let's clean these lenses with this pouch like so, and look how much shinier it is, like so. So let's just clean these off and put these on. I'm so excited to see how they look because y'all, I'm just so excited to see how they look. So let's put them on. I got my mirror right here, so I feel like a professor, y'all. Y'all, I mean, why do you have an A- on your report card? Y'all, these are cute. It's giving like your girl ready to go to school. Your girl is ready to get them A's. Your girl is a professor. These are really cute. So this is how they look on. Very cute. I have on my little, what? I have on a brown jumpsuit outfit, two-piece outfit, and I feel like these go perfect with that. Let me stand up. This is the outfit I have on. So I feel like this matches well. So y'all better go get one of these. And if you all would love to get this specific style and the specific color and all that, I will have that right here. They're like hashtag numbers, so I will put the number of this exact style in the somewhere right here, and then I also will put the exact color. They have a lot of colors in this. They have cheetah, they have blue, green, like brown, like black. Your girl got her glasses, and I have on mascara, and they're not even like scrubbing this lens. Like, just think of all the cute hairstyles I can wear with this. Yes, your girl is about to be styling and profiling this fall, honey. What? But that concludes this video. I want to say thank you so much to Firmoo for sending me over these lovely glasses. If you all want to use a discount code, you all want to get more details about this specific product, everything will be down in the description below. So anything you need to know, anything you want to hear, anything you want to see will be down below. And these are literally so cute. They're so comfy. And your girl is period a glasses 4-eyed chick. But yeah, okay y'all, so that pretty much sums up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And thank you again to Firmoo for sending me over these glasses. Bye.